What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or change backgrounds in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up Canva and then click on the design that you would like to edit. To change the background color, you can click on the design and then you will see a colored circle showing your current background color. If you click on that circle, you can then choose from the different document colors available. We are going to change the background color to white. Once you click on the color, it will instantly update your current background. If you want something a little more creative, you can go to the Elements tool on the sidebar. You can search for the elements that you would like to replace your current background with. We are going to use a coffee cup. Browse through to find the appropriate image. I'm going to use this one. I can drag it on the page or simply click and it will instantly be added onto my design. Once it's added onto your design, you can side click and then you will find the option that says Set Image as Background, and it will automatically be applied onto your page. And that's how you can easily change backgrounds in Canva.